Do you want to use your Samsung phone like a computer on your PC? In this video, I will show you how to connect your Samsung device to a PC using Samsung DeX. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Tech Wash. First, open your PC browser. Go to the official Samsung website and download Samsung DeX for PC. Install it just like any normal software. Now connect your Samsung phone to the PC using USB cable. On your phone, open a settings, tap Connected Device, tap Samsung DeX, tap Auto Start when HDMI is connected. A pop-up will appear, tap Start Samsung DeX. On your PC, the Samsung DeX apps will open automatically. That's it. You will now see a desktop style screen on your PC. You can open apps using keyboard and mouse, drag and drop while multitask easily. Your phone is now connected to your PC with Samsung DeX. If DeX does not start, try a different USB cable, unlock your phone, make sure DeX is enabled in your phone settings, restart both devices. Thanks for watching. Support us, be with us.